Okay, this is a don't if you do, don't if you don't thing. People complain about the Chinese made, you know, phone cords, right? Claiming they want, American made, American made, American made. This actually stems from me seeing a post on Reddit, like from I don't know, like about how people feel about Boom Workshop, and one of them said, it seemed like gimmicky, blah 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 blah. And I'm like, here's the thing. You ask for y'all want American made. When you have an American company making, you know, the stuff in America, come on. Like, yes, there were like different types of cords, the bushcraft, which actually is a survival cord. Because if you want bushcraft, you'll go bushcraft. Kelso's cord. Yeah? So, yeah. This cup's out nicely. It's this in this one. Can't find the other one, though. Unless I put it in a kit. I don't know. But yeah, like, why like, here's the thing. Like, they have specialty stuff like fishing, trapping, hunting, etc. Yeah, they have like, you know, I don't have the website up right now. I could get it up right now on my computer, but yeah, that'll probably take too long for me to do all that. But yeah, you have like stuff that would might seem gimmicky to people, like you know, you I think the quote was gimmicky, to make you to make you think, you know, something other like for survival gear or something or survivalist or what, I don't know. I don't remember. But here's the thing. Uh, Grim Workshop claims EDC. They don't ever claim survival. Claim EDC. I wear the. I think it's. I can't think of what it's called. Ugh. Hook and something else called. Or dog tag. Because I don't know when I want to go fishing. Right? EDC. And since I'm out in an area where there's, fishing, why not, right? Same thing for the hunting and all that. Honestly, are there some stuff that seems gimmicky? Yeah. But for me, a lot of it is, you know, useful. You know? And here's the thing, you're not obviously going to be using just that for your survival, obviously. Right? You're going to be using, you have other gear. The survival cords, as I've said before, are for backup or for, oh God, right? So anyway, basically, it's been a post-apocalyptic survival. I've been doing stuff on my other channel. Anyway, God bless and peace.